I am John.
And I am Kim.
I am performing traditional maintenance. I manually check the air conditioners according to a fixed schedule. This means time wasted checking equipment that works while issues remain unaddressed.
I'm using Airconet Smart Building System. From my iPad, I monitor all the air conditioners in the building, which room have vacancy, list of AC with overpower consumption, room temperature versus the set point and cost of running each AC. I sit at the office, and only when the air conditioner sends alert, I am going to check the specific unit. I am controlling and monitoring tens of buildings from different locations from my account. Activity tracking allows you to resolve issues quickly and verify results. Airconet's products are very easy and quick to install, compatible with most AC brands. Proactive way to ensure maximum efficiency. Save energy by smart control and monitor, online, monthly, weekly and by year.